Tonino, and this is our very first online class as part of our new series of
Stay Home Kizomba.
Fantastic. And this video is pretty much for our new students to give them a glimpse on what to expect in the main course. Okay, so we hope that you like the video. If you like, we'd love to see you inside for more video tutorial. If you like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram.
Also, send us your comments and your questions, and we'll make sure that we answer all of them.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. And oh, by the way, congratulations for being here. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. So today our class, we are going to do something very easy. We're going to demonstrate it first. I'm going to be covering the lead portion.
And we'll cover also the follows portion. Remember guys, our warm-up videos will be available for you for free. So we're not going to cover those. So we're going to go straight into the move.
Absolutely. If you'd like to see our warm-up video, just go on our YouTube channel and watch them. They're over there available. So here we go for today. So we have 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7. Here we go. On the side. Hey.
Let's break it down into smaller portions. First of all, we have a
3 count, and so we have 1 3 count and 2 8 count. If you want to break it down like that, that way it's more digestible. So for the first 3 count, it is not your conventional basic 3, it's a basic 3 on a quarter turn. So half tempo is going to look like this: 5, 6, 7, go. We got 1, 2, 3, and hold. Again, full tempo. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Last time. Full tempo. 5, 6, 7, and go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and hold.
easy. Now for the ladies, we're gonna do a quarter turn to our left, going backwards. Half tempo on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, together, and hold. Now on this part, ladies, remember our weight is on our left foot. This will free our right foot. So we're not transferring the weight to our right foot, okay?
Don't be on the right foot.
Once again, half tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, together, and full tempo. Reset. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and.
Fantastic. So I'm going to show you what is our next 8 count is going to look like from the leads perspective. Now, once we hold it, 4. So we do 1, 2, 3, hold the 4. Technically on the 5 we should start, but the 5 would be our first 1. So our first 1 is going to be a slightly bigger step than normal with our left foot, okay, while maintaining our weight on the right foot. So we have and 1. Now watch our 2. The follow is going to be here. On 2, I'm going to bring the follow into a lady side. 2. Alright. Here we go. 5. We're on the hold. 6, 7, go. We have 1, hook, 2, 3. One more time. 5, 6, 7, stop on 3. 1, 2, 3. This time we're gonna go all the way up to 4. 5, 6, 7, on 4. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. On 5, we are going to start moving forward on 5. So here we go. And 5, continue. 6, continue. 7, rock back on 8. And that completes the second A count. The whole thing. The first A count. Whole thing. 5. Half tempo. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And 1, hook. 2, 3, 4, forward. 5, 6, forward. 7, back. 8. Full tempo. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. That was half tempo. Julia didn't say anything. Full tempo this time. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 5.
Fantastic. Now for the ladies,
Half tempo.
our right foot is free, so we're gonna go 1 to the side. On 3, we're gonna face our partner. On 4, we're gonna take a step to the side with our left foot. On 5, quarter turn to the right. On 6, step forward. On 7, step forward. On 8, we're gonna rock back. Okay, let's do it half tempo. Reset. Right foot is free. And 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rock, step. Okay? Once again, full tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. 5, 7. Reset. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Fantastic. Now we are going to go to the second A count, okay? The second A count, the most tricky part is the first 2 count. Watch what's gonna happen on the first 2 count. So we're here. Watch my action on the first 2 count. On my 1, I'm going to cross the path of travel for the lady. I'm going to cross the path on 1 as you take a step back.
Ladies, we're going to take a step back with our right, going straight up.
On 1. So here we go. 1. Watch my 2. My 2 is a hook. The lady take a step.
To the side on the saída.
2. One more time. Once again, the trickiest part is the 1 and the 2. So here we go.
Remember our right is on our left foot for the follows.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back on 8. One more time. Separate. So we're here. 5, 6, 7. We cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forward, 6, 7, rock back, 8. One more time. 5, 6, half tempo. 7, here we go. Cross. 1, hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rock back. Full tempo now. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Cross, hook, 3, 4, forward, 6, 7, 8. Last time, full tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good job.
For the ladies, we finished on this side and we rock back. On one, we take a step back. 1 to the side like a saída. On 3, we start a turn going around. 3, 4. On 5, quarter turn to the right. 5, 6, we take a step forward. 7, forward. On 8, we rock back. Once again, half tempo. Our weight is on our left foot, and we're gonna step back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Full tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, around, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Fantastic. Now this takes us to our last 8 count. This is the easiest of the 8 count. So we finished on 8. Our weight is back. Our weight is back. So we're gonna rock forward on 1 and do a pivot. Only the gentlemen. Ladies, the follow will stay facing forward. So here we go. Forward on 1, pivot on 2, forward for the gentleman on 3. Again, another step on 4, pivot on 5, forward on 6. Turn on 7, side step 8, and together on 1. Okay, here we go.
Ladies, we only travel forward and backwards. We're not pivoting. Okay?
Last 8 count, half tempo. We're gonna rock forward on 1, right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, rock forward. 1, turn. 2, 3, 4, pivot. 5, 6, turn. 7, side, 8, together. Full tempo. 5, 6, 7, full tempo. 5, 6, 7, and rock, turn. 3, turn. 5, 6, turn. 8, 1. Last time. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1.
Now for the ladies, our weight is on our left foot and we're gonna pivot going forward and we're gonna go forward, rock back, 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 rock forward, 6, 7, 8. Again. Half tempo. Remember, our first step is rock forward. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, rock, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Our most important is our 6th step. So once again, when we go backwards, and we go forward, on 6, we position our left foot. This way we can face and chase our partner and then go back to the 7, 8, and 1. So our 6 is the most important step.
Very good point. I'm glad that she actually caught that because on 6, gentlemen, what we're doing the hinge. It's like a hinge going like this. On 7, together 8. I'm going to demonstrate that once I get to the other side.
Okay, I'll do it full tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
Fantastic. So that was it. That was the whole routine. We are going to demonstrate the whole thing now individually, just us, the whole thing, and then we're going to come together and do it as a couple for you guys. All right? So from the beginning, come forward, baby. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Full time. 4. 1, 2, 3, and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Hook. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and forward. 2, 3, turn. 5, 6, 8, 1. Fantastic. From this angle, the whole thing.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
Fantastic. 5. With your couple. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Fantastic. The other side. Hey. That is it, guys.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you
On the next episode, make sure you subscribe if you like the video. Hey.